Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Anna Najha binti Muhammad Hatta and my matching number is 28019. So today I will talk about the evaluate the financial technology. Okay, our project is about the quantum metal. Okay, quantum metal is one of the financial technology used today as a safe and Sharia compliant digital gold investment platform. Okay, this company is recognized as Sharia compliant by International Sharia Research Academic for Islamic Finance, which is we know as ISWA. Okay, QM began operate in 2012 and the company's headquarters are located at E-Gate Penang. Okay, local bank also cooperate with the QM, which is include Bank Muamalat, RJ Bank, Afin Bank and so on.
So now I will present about the advantage of saving by invest in quantum metal. Investing is a way to increase the potential money we have. In fact, investing also a buying and selling storage activity where the goal is to buy invest at a low price and sell at the higher price. Therefore, one of the safe and easy to use investment storage place is quantum metal. There are many advantages that investor can take advantage of. So the first advantage by saving at quantum metal is can enjoy the saving is not the storage for money investment, rather that is based on the gold storage. As we know, by making this storage in gold is more profitable, where the price of gold will be higher in the future compared to the previous value of money. Through the gold investment storage service by the quantum metal platform, there are three types of investment that can choose to make the various type of investment with the cheaper price compared to the other investment place. With this, there are three types of investment offer, which is investor can make deposit as low as 10 ringgit to start saving in the quantum metal. Furthermore, the net advantage by invest in quantum metal is providing 99.99% premium gold product to the various sector, which is including government bodies, banks, financial institution, trader and the individual trader that has 10 years experience as a gold supplier investment. In addition, through the saving by investment quantum metal, it is also guaranteed to have a network cooperation with the banking sector. This is also convenient to us to invest in the platform quantum metal, which has become trusted partner in the Malaysian market. Therefore, for every investor, there are no need to worry about the saving. They are guaranteed to have the integrity and even no fraud for the third party. It's also because this investment does not use human service, but instead use the automatic concept by AI technology. Finally, by quantum metal also we have advantage, which is quantum metal can make investment at the early age. This is because it does not require the age level that can be registered on the platform to start saving as a gold investment. Therefore, with this facility, it is able to have many people who want to make a gold investment from the early age, even they are only have modest finance. With invest in quantum metal also, they are provide the service by offering investor the ability to buy and sell in a small increment that's making it accessible to a wider audience. In fact, it is also an investment concept that offers a way to invest in gold without no need to the physical storage and can even be done at any time without following the schedule. Then I will continue the disadvantage by saving at the quantum metal. However, although there are many advantages that can be found when investing in quantum metal platform, as we know, every creation of the financial technology application also have the drawback. With this, one of the disadvantages by invest in quantum metal is when using the visual word application is vulnerable to cyber attack. So by this disadvantage, this may cause security breach where although by quantum metal code use blockchain technology to ensure the transaction security, there is still a risk of the security breach. This disadvantage is can create the problem to robbery of the platform application account from the other party. Then the net disadvantage is the investor is not guaranteed to receive a full of the value of the investment return as an investment deposit at the initial stage. This is because it is as the volatility system for the price of gold, where the price can fluctuate, and investing in quantum metal also does not eliminate this risk. This has caused when investing in quantum metal application, every investment return it is depend on the current value and also the current gold price rate. This is also because the value of gold can fluctuate according to the current economic market condition. So this means that investor may not receive the same return on investment as the initial expect, as this may be unpredictable. So for the last disadvantage by saving in the quantum metal is the type of contract that used in the investment for JEE product. Some investor does not know it. This is because by using this investment platform can make the cost that some new investor who want to try this field to understand this concept is less. This is because by the quantum metal, this application is used the investment concept of tawaruk contract. This has caused the issue of the misunderstanding to the new investor about the concept that leading to the unrelated speculation. So that's all for the advantage and disadvantage by saving at the Quantum Method, and I will pass to the next presenter.
The first features in Quantum Method is about the front information in the application. After login user detail, front page will be like the picture shown in this slide. It shows user current individual account gold balance. Other than that, the front page also shows current sale price and buy price. Characteristics about this app is the user. This app will link with the user account bank. Bank account features to enable money transfer following gold termination. Aside from that, buying and selling gold will be simpler for consumers. Users can purchase gold when prices are low and sell it online when prices are high immediately. The money from the termination dates normally transfer to the user's bank account after 15 days. As picture shows in this slide, there is the account bank number that link with Quantum Method apps. Next characteristic about this app is strict security. This is to make sure the client personal information including their bank account record and national registration identity card or passport name is correct and genuine based on the data submitted into the QM system. It is crucial to do a know your client, which is KYC check. After KYC was successful, user gold storage account will be active, and if unsuccessful, the user cannot do any transaction. Other features in holding GCA inventory. Picture shows is GCA product. In this page, user can click request to buy GCA product and click gold convert to terminate GCA product. Furthermore, they shows current total holding amount, current buy price, total convert amount, total value, profit rate to date, and net bill user gain. It will help user to decide when the right time to terminate product and when to buy GCA product. Next features is holding gold asset enhanced, which is GAE inventory. User can purchase gold by using this app quickly when gold price goes down. In this picture shows a GAE product. User can click purchase and then can purchase gold immediately. Additionally, by selecting My GAE, the user may see a list of every GAE product that have bought and terminate when gold price increase. This page also shows the total unit GAE 5X, total unit GAE 10X, Quantum Method sale price for GAE 5X and GAE 10X, total purchase amount and total net cash out.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Daniel Asfar bin Abdul Aziz. My matric number is 280099. Today I will explain for my part, which is three product of Quantum Method. So for the first one is gold storage account. So in gold storage account, this is like you can see, this is for regular saving, which is the basic one. You can put your money into this, which is you can convert your RM ringgit to digital gold, so that you didn't need to hold the physical gold or cash in hand. So you can just transfer it into the digital gold in Quantum Method account. In this GSA account, you just need minimum amount is just 10 ringgit. This is suitable for long term. So the second one is gold convert account. Gold convert account is to avoid wasted expenses. So with this GCA, you can, how it will function is once you put your money, you can redeem to cash 85%, which is once you put 1,000 in your account, so 150 just save in the account go Quantum Method. So another 85% will convert and will come into your account back. So just minimum for this GCA, you just need for 150 ringgit. This is suitable for long term. So the last one is GAE, which is Gold Asset Enhance. Gold Asset Enhance is for to grow your gold or money with 5 to 10 times. So which is multiply the gold in 5 to 10 times, which you can earn faster money better than GSA savings and GCA savings. So in this case, you just need to minimum amount that you can put is 100 ringgit for GAE 5X. So for GAE 10X, you need to minimum amount is 1,500. So this case is more suitable for medium and short term. So for the next one is Sharia compliance. So as you know, the gold storage account, gold convert account, and gold asset enhanced product quantum metal are audited by Tawafuk Consultancy when it is in accordance with the Sharia policy document. Tawafuk advisor have released a Sharia pronouncement in that regard. In this case, all product in quantum metal offer like GSA, GCA, and GAE, and many else. These the three main products that are audited by Tawafuk Consultancy, which is already approved all the requirements to to achieve the Sharia compliance. So that's all.
Through the use of applications designed specifically for quantum metal users, quantum metal may be registered online. Prior to completing any transaction, each user must create a quantum metal account. There are 7 steps to register in quantum metal. The 7 steps are like the picture in this slide. First of all, the user must download the quantum metal application and choose your own nation as the initial step. After that, click next. Second step is you need enter your phone number, identity card number, and complete name exactly as it appears on your identity card. Third step, you need to tick agree for whole statement like step 3 in this slide. The most crucial step is the fourth one. You must create a password for your account. After set the password, you need to click next. The next step is you will receive a TAC numbers via email or SMS. Then you are required to enter the SIG PIN code received earlier and press confirm. The last step, you need to set up SIG PINs for the security of your account. This PIN will be used if you want to make a transaction for your account. Finally, your registration has been successful and can proceed to invest in gold through quantum metal application.
Then I will present about the benefit that we have by saving in quantum metal. Therefore, by investing in the quantum metal platform, it is offer a several benefit that can be utilized after the investing in the financial application of this technology. So the first benefit is stability. As we know, by making investment in the quantum metal application, it is an investment with the concept of gold investment. Therefore, with this concept of saving gold investment, it is the thing that can be guaranteed to be more worthwhile and more stability, where the gold market situation is more stable than invest in the storing money only. This is because the value of gold price will increase yearly, even though the market price of the current value decrease. It is because the gold is anti-inflation asset. Then the next benefit is profitable. Saving with the concept of the gold investment is profitable investment option because quantum metal has offered the highest potential return on the investment, and even this product can achieve the profit in just a few months in addition to offering lifetime commission to investors. For example, with this investment in quantum metal that is only as low as 10 ringgit to start to invest, the investors are able to profit by getting more than 500 when investing for approximately 9 months after investing in JEE 5 times. This is because also quantum metal has an investment concept that can double the value of the investment and even indirectly show that it is a proof that quantum metal is easy to make a profit while still being based on the Sharia. And why the quantum metal is profitability? Because of the that is investment service that provides saving in a free register. With this, the investor does not need to pay the membership fee to agent or the other party, and even by investing in this application also, it provides free class including the instructor that will be concerned to the new investor. So the last benefit for the quantum metal is transparency. This is because why the quantum metal known as the transparency because of based on the Islamic term that using the concept of tawarruk murabahah. Quantum metal also is the digital investment saving application where this is provide the 3 type of gold investment option with each having its own unique. By using the quantum metal that the application known as digital application on the blockchain, investor also can track their own investment through the blockchain, which is provide the transparency and ensure no fraudulent activity.
One of the critical issue and problem in Quantum Metal is Quantum Metal lied about the verification on Sharia compliant. As we know, Sharia compliant verification is the most important element in Islamic company. Quantum Metal was verified as a halal company by ISRO, and ISRO also as a Sharia advisory for Quantum Metal. ISRO is the best choice of many companies to verify and convince people about the Sharia compliance. But at 15 April 2023, ISRO as advisory Sharia to the Quantum Metal was eliminated and did not will be continued. ISRO state on their official website for the public reference. However, even the control was done by the ISRO, but Quantum Metal still list them as the Sharia advisory at their official website. With that, most people feel betrayed by the Quantum Metal, and people say Quantum Metal was lied to the customer and their members. As a result, Quantum Metal state that they have a certification of Sharia compliance from Tawaruk Consultancy on product GSA, GCA and GAE that will be valid from 15 April 2023 until 14 April 2024. Tawaruk Consultancy is an independent Sharia firm that has a license as advisory Sharia. Even Tawaruk Consultancy was not bigger and influence compared to the ISRO, but they have experience in offering Sharia service in the Middle East and the North Africa. Next issue of the product GAE was illegal. As we know, GAE is the product that has two types, which is GAE 5 times and GAE 10 times. Okay, this product is based on a double storage. Most people was confused because gold is the item of ribawi. Therefore, the transaction must be on the spot, and if someone have saving on the gold must be exist. If the gold is not exist, it become a goro contract. Okay, Quantum Metal announced that GAE is in compliance with the Sharia, and it uses the concept of tawaruk in order to make double storage in savings. Okay, tawaruk is form of the buying and selling transaction that involve the purchase of the commodity with a first party, then the commodity is sold to the third party with the cash payment to obtain cash. Okay, tawaruk finance concept is not a new concept. It also been knowledge by the Central Bank Malaysia, ISRO, INSIF and also IIOF. In terms of the modus operandi of classical tawaruk, okay, Quantum Metal will be purchase the gold from the LBMA, Panda Gold, ABC Bullion and the Perth Mint Gold based on the cash basis. On the transaction, the ownership of the gold will be transferred to the Quantum Metal. Therefore, Quantum Metal will sell the gold to their members and the customer based on the deferred payment with the markup price that have been agreed. Okay, then the ownership of the gold automatically will be transferred to the customer or the members. In practice, to achieve cost effectiveness, okay, Quantum Metal will be appointed as an agent to sell the commodity to the third party on behalf of the customer, and this is known as a knowledge. Okay, so this show that product GAE is the compliant with the Sharia. Lastly, the issue is Quantum Metal as the investment gold company does not involve payment of zakat to their customer when it get nisab. Even Quantum Metal did not provide zakat on gold for their customer saving, but we can say that Quantum Metal must give awareness and the convincing to the people to pay zakat on gold. Sometimes people only know to build and gain their knowledge and their wealth following the Sharia rules, but they complacent in purifying their wealth with doing zakat. So, Quantum Metal is one of the platform to support and help the Zakat Corporation to inform the public to promote to paying the zakat on wealth such as zakat on gold, zakat on silver, and zakat on savings. Okay, apart from that, as an Islamic company that align with the Sharia, Quantum Metal can provide the services by providing zakat payment to their members. In future, Quantum Metal can collaborate with the zakat center such as Lembaga Zakat Selangor to pay zakat on gold.
So now I will continue to present about the statistic of data or user review based on the QM Gold My application. Based on the data that has been taken from the QM Gold My application, the average of user who use it is satisfied with the service available in this investment platform. This is because based on the comment on the application, they are state that this application is easy to use and understand even for the new beginner. With this, although this investment application has no monitoring, it is easy for users to do it themselves without making them dizzy. In addition, users have also stated this application is very good innovative idea in the global precious metal exchange which have a uniquely legitimate. In addition, this data also based on the YouTube application. Based on the user comment found on the YouTube application, the user has expressed the satisfaction in making an investment in this investment service. This is because although at the first they are still doubtful in terms of the security features, but after using it, they believe and are confident that this application is safe and fraud is not easy to happen. They also believe this application provide an easy to understand service to make investment and a systematic system that has many additional features that can be controlled as setting notification for the certain target goal price. However, despite having many advantages to this application, QM Goal My application and also review on the YouTube, it also have the problem that often happen to the user and they are difficult to get KYC number verification when they want to sign up, and it sometimes takes many days to get approval from this application. This has make it difficult to obtain and it's often delayed even though they has complete according to the available instruction. In fact, there are also complaints from the user who state that they have to wait for this application to loading for a long time, even though they have a fast internet access, and then they need to reload every time want to enter this application.
We have decided to spread awareness through the poster. There are several points has been highlighted in this poster. For example, what is quantum metal, advantages investing in quantum metal, type of product offered by quantum metal, and quick response code, which is QR to register in quantum metal. Since gold and black are the official colors of quantum metal, we apply the two colors in this poster. This poster was distributed to our fellow friends on WhatsApp status and physical to expose them with this type of investment. We hope through this poster will help others to enhance knowledge about quantum metal and help them to start invest in gold investment. Last but not least, it also can increase their asset for a better life in future.
Next is about the comparison of the quantum metal with the public gold. Okay, the biggest differences between the quantum metal and the public gold are their accounts. Okay, quantum metal has three main accounts, which are gold storage account, which is GSA, gold convert account, which is GCA, and gold asset enhance, which is GAE. Each account has its own function, although each account pertains to saving, but the method and the approach of saving are different. Okay, GSA for instance is a single deposit, whereas GAE is a double deposit with a financing. Okay, in public gold, okay, only has one account, which are gold accumulate program, which is we call as GAP. Okay, the GAP concept is only for saving and accumulating gold for future. Okay, next, okay, quantum metal can make purchase at 10 ringgit Malaysia only if the storage fees or charge are up to 3.5% per annum. It can be physically withdrawn at any branch of Arahnu Tekun with the storage the gold at the Bring Singapore. Okay, while the public gold people can start making an investment or accumulate the gold starting with the 100 ringgit Malaysia, and there are no fees for the storage. Okay, the location of the storage for public gold is at Gold Mints in Malaysia, and it can be physically withdrawn at any branch of public gold. Okay, after that, at behalf of the Islamic company, Quantum Metal Advisory Syariah was International Syariah Research Academic, which is we know as ISWAC, and now is Tawafuk Consultancy for Locality, but for the international is Rakoba. Okay, then for the public goal, the advisory Syariah to make sure the product and services align with the Syariah is Amani Advisory. Okay, lastly, to make sure the asset and goal for the customer and members will be guaranteed, Quantum Metal and Public Gold provide the insurance or the takaful to reduce the risk and reduce the exposure to the loss. Okay, takaful that used by the Quantum Metal was 100% from the Loyal of London, while the public gold was insured by the Loan Pack Insurance Berhad up to 15 million and will be added according to saving in gap. Okay, this we can see that every company has their own pros and cons. It depends on the customer and members to choose according to their own ultimate aim to accumulate gold.
I will continue my turn about the users' feedback based on the Google form that our group have been made. Based on the Quantum Metal usage research data, the average data from the Google Form survey respondent is satisfied with the service available in this application. In addition, it turned out that 75% of the respondents from the Google Form survey were interested in investing in the concept of gold compared to the investing in the concept of money, which has a percentage of only 25%. This is because based on the users' feedback from the Google form, for those who have knowledge about the Quantimeter, they think that investing by gold is very profitable for the future. Even also based on them, Quantimeter also is easy to use, this where they can log in. That's only enter by using the phone, and they also can invest anytime. Next, based on the survey Google form as well, the respondents also are friendly to make it the gold investment by gold investment application. Additionally, based on the picture that has been stated, among the factor respondent that found from the investing with Quantimeter is due to a number of the majority of the response, which is as much as 60% know about the availability of the numeric concept offered by this investment application. Lastly, based on the result of this survey, at like picture that has been stated, we can also see the expectation of the respondent toward this product for both those who are new to this Quantimeter application platform and those who are familiar with this application platform also. So based on the result and picture that has been stated, 41.7% of the respondents expected this Quantimeter is an investment that comply with Sharia term and also can generate profit based on the Islamic law. In fact, as many as 8.3% of the respondents state that this product is user-friendly and also has controlled safety feature. So that's our presentation from me, and thank you.
Okay, for next part is survey and interview. So for this, we have made a survey in which we have collected respondent data about Quantimeter using Google Form, which is a question designed by ourselves to analyze how much the public knows about investment in terms of gold and others, along with information about Quantimeter they know. From the data we have collected, we found that there are 12 respondents who know that about what Quantimeter is. Out of those, 11 people have also heard that Quantimeter exists from social media and not from friends or family members. This shows that social media has now had a great impact on the current generation. This is because only exposure from social media can give awareness and attract the attention of audience of the use of Quantimeter. So next, from this data, we have also found that 83.3% of them have used this Quantimeter application. These people have also just used the Quantimeter application for no more than 6 months, and this because that they has just become aware of the benefit provided in Quantimeter. Therefore, Quantimeter can also upgrade features so that users can more comfortable to use it. So lastly is for the type of product, which is from this we already found that many people have used a GAE, which is Gold Asset Enhanced for 10x product, which is as much as 40%, with a total of 2 people or 5 respondents using Quantimeter. Unlikely other products such as gold saving account only get 20%, which is with 1 respondent. Gold convert account also just get 20% with 1 person. And lastly, Gold Asset Enhanced 5x also got 20% with 1 respondent using this Quantimeter. So for these 3 products that the fewest respondent choose to invest in.
Every organization and company must improvise to remain progressively. So, to facilitate the public investment and saving in gold, Quantimeter can improve by providing an easy platform for the investor to know the percentage and value of the profit they can get based on the current price of the gold. Okay, this can make easier from the investor to calculate without having the Excel or the balance sheet. This is not only to save time, but also allows the investor to know and to buy and to sell the gold at the highest possibility price. Okay, as a suggestion, Quantimeter include a features that allows Muslim to calculate zakat on gold if they have enough haul and nisab. This method can remind us as a Muslim, we not only need to gain our wealth by following Sharia, but we must purify our wealth with the zakat, which is prior to distributing it to needy. Okay, Quantimeter can collaborate with the zakat center to make this program. Okay, in conclusion, we must understand company selection is not the most important factor in gaining and saving on the gold. Okay, each company has its own strength and the weaknesses. And as a consumer and the customer, we need to choose the company that align with our goals. Okay, also as a Muslim, we need to play a role in ensure Sharia compliance. Since not all business provide Sharia compliance saving, Muslim need to choose wisely while making profit.
Quantometer is a good application and ease customer to use it. For me, I have two suggestions to improve Quantometer applications. First of all, since Quantometer application do not have live chart update, I am suggest to include real-time market updates in the Quantometer application. Provide live market charts and historical price data. In addition, incorporate customer service into the application. For instance, offer FAQs, live chat, and attentive assistance staff so that user may ask questions they may have on time. The reflection for this assignment is we also can convince our friend and family to try this type of investment. Quantometer is the gold investment that comply with Sharia and can avoid prohibited elements like gambling and horror. Other than that, this assignment also improve our knowledge about gold investment and encourage me to invest in gold. Invest in Quantometer, such a convenient gold investment platform because it is easy to use and have guidance.
So now I will present about my part about the improvised or recommendation on the Quantometer. In my opinion, investing in the Quantometer has many benefits. However, in order to facilitate the investment of the investor, Quantometer need to provide a live graph of the current gold price to make it easier for investors to plan this purchase and sale gold investment. This is because when they are not up to date the live graph, it is making difficult to the investor to make a comparative assessment of the level of the gold price. In addition, with the provision of investment based on the Islamic term, Quantometer also can provide investment service by directly deducting the profit obtained from the deduction of the rate of the zakat that's need to pay. With this, by this suggestion, it is not longer a hedge for the investor to calculate for themselves how much rate they need to be paid to the zakat institution. Finally, this Quantometer also needs to be intensified to continue to promote this platform because it is not widely accepted by the old fan of the gold saving. Therefore, since it has a network relationship with the bank sector, so the bank sector side can offer this service directly to the customer by making saving in this platform instead of only save money without any profit, even or in a small profit. Then for my reflection after doing this assignment based on the Quantometer, this task give me a lot of exposure about the available financial technology application where there are many benefits that can be obtained from this application which is Quantometer. Among the benefits that have a positive impact on me is the instead of us only using money for the all kind of expense, we also can use money by saving that can give us the profit later. With this, it gives impression that we should be wise to choose the institution that can make the financial saving choice so that every saving choice will bring a profit later. So with the existence of the financial saving form of the investment with the concept of gold by providing the Quantometer application, it helped me a lot to make investment in this application that because it is very easier to handle and I also confident that it suffer. Then by researching this Quantometer as well, it has given me the encouragement to start making investment even though I have not made a strong career because this application provide a low storage service to all level of the society. So that's all for my reflection.
So for the next part is for the recommendation, which is there are already a lot of tools and products available from Quantometer that consumer can utilize for their investment, which is depending on their price of gold can increase their wealth daily. In this instance, I would like to recommend that Quantometer make an electronic wallet payment, which is that anyone can use the Quantometer account, can access from anywhere at any time. Therefore, they are spare from having to wait and transfer to their bank account. For every user of Quantometer, they will also save time when spending their funds in an emergency. They may also can be drawn inadvertently by teenagers to begin putting money into digital gold. So next for my reflection from my side is, as a result of this project, we have learned about a variety of investment platform outside for gold investment, which we can utilize right now. Take Quantometer public gold Luno, Bitcoin, and other example from today's world. We have learned a lot about quantum metal, including how to use it, how it functions, what is items that which is product that provide, and whether or not they adhere to Sharia. And lastly, furthermore, we discover the advantages of both this quantum metal and other platform. This is a result of the fact that each platform will have unique regulation and product.